Hello, hello friends. This is Shanti. In previous session, we have seen the basic concepts of pointer. That is how to define pointer, how to declare and initialize pointer. In this session, we discuss about how to display the value of variable and address of variable using pointer. And this is 4 marks question. So we solve this question with the help of program or with the help of one simple example. So let's start. Void main, open bracket, integer a comma pointer p1. Another one example variable, that is float b and pointer variable p2. Here a is a variable of type integer and b is a variable of type float, and pointer p1 which is used to store the address of a, and pointer p2 which we use to store the address of b variable. First we take the input for a and b variable. To take the input from the user, we use scanf function %d. This is format specifier for integer type, integer data type. A is a integer variable. Scanf. For float variable, we use a format specifier %f. B variable. For example, for a, in a we store the input value 10 and in b we store the input value 20. Memory location a where we stores the 10 and memory location b where we stores the value 20. Okay, now using pointer variable we want to display the address value of variable and address of variable. So we first stores the address of variable into the pointer. We already know about pointer. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Here p1 is a pointer which holds the address of a variable, and p2 is a pointer which holds the address of b variable. Now we display the value of variable and address of variable using these two pointer variable. Value of a. A is a variable of type integer, that's why we need format specifier %d. And to display the value of a using pointer, we use value operator. Value operator, because here we want to display the value of a, that's why, but with the help of pointer, so we use here a value operator. Now we display address of a. Here we stores the address of a in p1, that's why we use here pointer p1. But to display the address of variable, we use the format specifier %u. Same for variable b. But b is a variable of type float. That's why we use here format specifier b and value operator p2. p2 because p2 holds the address of b. So we also take the value from this pointer variable, that is value operator. Then printf address of b is equal to display the address %u, format specifier %u, and the address is stored into the p2, so we directly write here p2. That's it. Same for character variable. Only difference is for character variable we use format specifier %c. then get ch, void main complete. Now our second question is how to perform arithmetic operation using pointer. This is 6 marks question. Very important question for board exam. So start with program. Void main. Here we perform 4 operation, arithmetic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Integer a comma b, pointer p1 comma pointer p2. Then first we take the input from the user for both variable, for a and b. Both are integer variable, that's why we use format specifier %d for address a and variable a and variable b. Now we store the address of a into the pointer p1 and address of b holds into the pointer p2. Now we perform the arithmetic operation. To perform arithmetic operation, here we declared variable add, sub, multiplication and division. Add is equal to value. We perform the arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But this operation we perform on value. That's why we use value of a and b, and value of a and b is available in pointer p1. Value of star p1 plus star p2. Then for subtraction, star p1 plus star p2. Then multiplication, star p1, only sign change, remaining program is same. Then division is equal to star p1 divided by star p2. Now we display the result using printf function. Addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, and then division. If you want to perform increment and decrement operation, this is also possible. That is p1 plus plus, p2 minus minus. Means we here increment the pointer address and decrement the pointer address. If you want to display this, just use %u to display the address. We display the address using %u p1 and printf %u p2. Then get ch, void main complete. We perform all the arithmetic operation using pointer. Thank you. If you like this video, share with your friends and send me comment on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.